Hey, my name is Sam, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Wealthy Affiliate University. As many people are describing, it's a scam, so we're going to find out if it is or not in this video. Enjoy. People are searching to find out if Wealthy Affiliate University is a scam. And in this video, that's exactly what we'll be discussing. First off, it's important to know, what is Wealthy Affiliate University? Wealthy Affiliate is a place where you can become a member to learn how to do affiliate marketing. However, that is not all they offer. Many people may say that Wealthy Affiliate is a scam, or they're searching to find out if it is. I'm really not sure why they would say this. A scam is defined as a dishonest scheme or a fraud. Someone who scams people, be deceiving, tricking, duping, etc. I'd like to start out and let you know that Wealthy Affiliate has been in business for 12 years. I really don't think that if Wealthy Affiliate was a scam, that they would still be in business after 12 years. If they were, they would have been shut down long ago. So is Wealthy Affiliate University a scam? Well, secondly, I'd like to add that over 1 million people have gone through Wealthy Affiliate University, and those that have followed the training and applied it have gone on to make a lot of money in affiliate marketing. So, in my eyes, saying that Wealthy Affiliate University is a scam is total nonsense. I am currently a member of Wealthy Affiliate and have found that the affiliate marketing training they have is the best I have seen online. They have step-by-step training that will take someone who has no previous experience working online and doing online marketing and show them exactly how to build a legitimate business online. People that ask, is Wealthy Affiliate University a scam, I guess, are searching for answers because possibly they have been scammed in the past. And I definitely get that. However, that's just not the case with Wealthy Affiliate. They, as I've mentioned, have been around for a long time, and not only do they have the best affiliate marketing training, they have much more than that. They also offer superb web hosting for up to 50 websites. And this is not some cheap, crappy web hosting that you can find for $4.95 a month online. Their hosting platform is high-end and is on fast servers that will allow your website to pull up very quickly when people are searching for it. And this is a big deal today, as people have very little patience waiting for a website to open, so it's really important that it's fast. You will not have to worry about the speed of your hosting with Wealthy Affiliate because it's incredibly fast. And to let you know, if you were to buy this type of hosting, it would cost you a pretty penny online, that is for sure. However, the web hosting is included in the membership. There are two types of membership options available in Wealthy Affiliate. There is a basic and free option where you can get access to some training, and you also get access to build 2 websites. This is a good option for someone just starting out and wanting to test the waters on how to build an affiliate marketing business. The second option is their premium membership. This option gives you access to all the training. You also get up to 50 websites and incredible support for your websites. Additionally, you get full access to their web content tools. Also, you get access to all the members within the membership, where they will come and comment on your website to help with engagement. Additionally, you'll get live chat support for any time that you need that. All of these features come at a very low price tag of $49 a month. If you are serious about building an online business and would like the best affiliate marketing training online, as well as all the tools and resources you need, then Wealthy Affiliate University is the place for you to go. So in answering the question, is Wealthy Affiliate University a scam? You can see that from what I have shared that this is definitely not a scam and is a great way for anyone who wants to build an affiliate marketing business online. Will give you the training, the tools, and the resources you need to be successful. Click on the link in the description below to start your free membership with Wealthy Affiliate. And be sure to like and share our video. Thanks. Have a great day.